Hi guys, today we're gonna play the Dead Race. I'm a pro at this game. This is why I post this because I'm real tired. One time I was with my cousins. We always play together, but today we didn't play because my cousins always like to play with their friends. That's why I make this video. Don't worry. See this at the end. We're gonna beat Tesla. And we're gonna finish it. Yay. I'm gonna get the nightmares. Sorry guys, this is one of. So mainly we need to buy a tomahawk. Axe actually. And next Tikiti-chan. Anong Nani Nasty? So guys, I'm charging and this is Tikiti-chan. Nani Nasty? Chokomino. Tikiti-chan. Nani Nasty? Tikiti-chan. So, malapit na siya magkapit. Malapit na ako siya.
Binigay pala ako sa cousin ko.
Ang dami yung cousin ko na isa, yung maliit. Di ba naalala mo yung gumawa tayo ng video? Siya yung bumigay sa akin ng wallet at mga iba-iba pang gamit. Tumawa. Sorry guys, I'm actually charging right now.
Charge. May tape kasi.
See this? I'm moving this thing. So you will put this right here.
No.
I'm just waiting to be nice.
Siya lang mag-isa dyan.
Yeah. Because if you see this,
Hindi siya naman kasi
lobot.
Lobot ako. Hindi ako mag-charge eh.
If you see this, my cousins or friends, please tell me, or are you a fan of me? Yeah. Add friend me in my bio and let's be.
What's your name?
I will follow
What's
you.
your name?
My name is not. It's Simon, but that's not my real name. I'm just gonna leave.
Wait. What's your name?
I'm just gonna change the name. So this is
his name. Tae. Ano kaya?
comment down below and I will paint the next part of the video. Comment the nickname, the display name of my YouTube, please. Say in the comments.
Yeah.
Bye my solo fans. bro.
Ano na?